Hi everyone, my name is Meher Hasan and I'm on the Beauty Hook Snapchat today to teach you guys an everyday college look and then how you can turn that everyday look into a night look. These are some of the products that we're going to be using today. I'm going to try to keep it as minimal as possible because it is an everyday look, and then how you can just easily use the same products basically to turn a look into a night look. I've also already filled in my brows and I've moisturized. I've used the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is what I've been using since the summer. It's my favorite moisturizer. I do have dry skin and I just feel like this has really improved the look of my skin. So getting right into the tutorial, I'm using the ColourPop Yes Please palette for the look today. This has been my favorite palette for the past month since I got it. It's absolutely amazing. It has these warm toned shadows, a few mattes, a few shimmers. As you can see, it is very well loved. I'm just going to show you how I can achieve an everyday look using just this palette.
Riding 85, I've been thinking way too much, and I'm way too gonna drive. I got anger in my chest, I got millions on my mind, and you didn't fit the pictures. They imposters. I be rolling with my project hoes, but ain't gon' fold up. I was in the double law when I rolled on this on me, baby. Dig what I'm saying, I'm going hard, yeah. I pop bubbly in your memory, You should be glad I'm showing you sympathy. I gave you love out the gut.
So for foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow. This is my favorite foundation. I've been using this for 3 years now. This is great for dry skin because it gives you like a dewy glow, and it also looks like it's a sheer foundation, but it actually gives you pretty good coverage because it's very buildable. Also, for those of you wondering, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown for my brows, and I applied it using the number 12 brush. I like this because it has like a nice firm spoolie, and this gives you a lot of control over where you want to apply your product.
Around town, I hear it, yeah. I know I get wow, 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 thoughts, wow, wow, wow.
set my concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Select Sheer Press Powder. This is the only powder that I feel suits me. A lot of people prefer. To set my concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Select Sheer Press Powder. This is the only powder that I feel suits me. A lot of people prefer using that Laura Mercier or even the Kat Von D Locket. These powders just don't suit my skin because I have very dry skin. So I like to put minimal product, and I feel like this sheer powder is perfect for my under eye.
But I've been on the calm down. See me. I see the darkness. When I feel for love, girl, I hesitate. It's what I'm guilty of.
I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. I love peach blushes just because they are so nice and natural looking, and they just add like a nice flush to your skin. So I'm just gonna apply this and show you how it looks. I've switched locations just so you can see the blush a little better. I don't apply my blush to this part of my cheeks, just this part, because I've noticed that if you apply blush like too close to your nose, it kind of gets a little clowny looking. So yeah, I just applied my blush. So we're gonna move on to my favorite part, which is highlighting. So during the day, I normally apply a cream highlighter, and lately I've been obsessed with the ColourPop ones. I have quite a few, but the one that I've been using a lot lately is the shade Lunch Money. So I also mix this with Whipped. So these are two I think these are Super Chalk Cheek highlighters. I apply these. I'll just show you what. So I just take this and this on the same finger.
Are you out of my path? Been wasting too much time. Trying to leave you far behind.
In your fever, scream me again. Never kisses, or do you ever send a full stop? Do you know?
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that tutorial. I'm gonna now show you how to turn this into a night look. Also, can I just say how obsessed I am with this highlighter? Like, I just love glowing, and I love glowy, dewy looks. So yeah, okay, let's do the night look now. French kiss. And I'm just gonna take this on a small detailer brush.
I feel you touch me in the pouring rain, and the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again.
Very pigmented brown color, so I'm just gonna take like literally this much, and I'm gonna tap off the excess. And I'm just going to apply that right into my crease and create a sort of circular shape like that. You can see how from a nice peachy burnt orange look, we now have something which is more smoky. So yeah, this is how, using just one eyeshadow, I turned this into a night look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. As you can see, I am a huge ColourPop junkie. I don't know why or when this happened, but I suppose it's for the best. This is in the shade Amaze. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you how I apply this to my eyes to create like a nice nighttime party look. So for the daytime look, we primarily kept the eye matte, right? So for the nighttime look, I'm going to add some glitter. Just on the center of the lid, I'm going to apply this.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as a shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I can't deny. Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing.
We didn't wanna call it too early.
To keep it like not too crazy, still like wearable and kind of minimal as well, you could say, in a way. So yeah, I highlighted using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I also put some marshmallow on my inner corners. Next, I'm just going to finish up actually using my Sugar Pill Trinket lip color. Okay guys, I've applied my Sugar Pill Trinket lip color. It applies like any old liquid lipstick does, and it also dries down matte. But what's interesting about it is that once it dries down, you start seeing these golden shimmery glitters that like magically somehow appear. See, because right now it's just like a pink. But once it dries up, you're gonna start, I'll just show you, it's crazy. So I've moved out into the sun to show you guys a little better. Do you see these gold reflects? These show up once the color dries down, so I think that's super cool. Also, this is what the highlight looks like, and this is like a natural sunlight. Obviously at night when you wear this look, it's gonna not be so intense, but maybe when it catches the light, you're gonna get like a nice, what is that noise in the back? Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm going to top this off using a lip gloss. Let me just show you. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna show you all of the products like that I used in a picture right after this. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. So you can reach me on my social media if you guys have any more queries regarding this look or beauty products in general, because I love talking about makeup. And I also want to thank Beauty Hook for having me. I really hope I made it worth your while. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.